Hello everyone, it's me Jeppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get iPhone 14 Pro like pill-separate front camera design in any Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Selfie Camera Dummy iPhone 14. Just search this application and you can see here selfie camera. Just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on OK. Just enable this selfie camera and just move back. Now you can see some options below. In the middle you will see one option, iPhone 14, right? Just enable this, and now below you can see show selfie camera. Just click on it. Now you can see a floating pill separate front camera design icon is appearing on the top of the Android smartphone screen, right? So in order to change the location or the position of this pill separate front camera design icon, what you need to do is just click on the settings, and now just slide down, and you can see here at the bottom one option, overlap status bar. Just enable this option. Now it will be put to the exact locations of your centered camera. And now if you want to change the position, you can just use the position left, right, or at the center, or you can just change the position of x-axis, y-axis, depending upon your needs. You can increase or decrease the brightness also, everything here by going on the settings. Now if you minimize this application, this iPhone 14 Pro like pill separate front camera design will always get appeared on your Android smartphone. So using this tiny application known as Selfie Camera Dummy iPhone 14, you can easily get a iPhone 14 Pro like pill separate front camera design in any Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.